Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create such a simple view in which the popover is going to be displayed from the bottom of the screen. It is going to slide in and out from the left bottom of the screen by the clicking of the button. So let's create a simple view inside the project that I've created previously. So I'm just going to create this view and then call it inside my main entry point. So first let's create a Z stack in which I'm going to first create a background, which can be your own background, your UI elements. And I have basically created it with black with some opacity so that the top view is clearly visible. Next, I'm going to create a button at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to enter the action in this button later on in the code. So let's create the UI of the button, which is going to be a simple SF symbol image, and I'm going to resize it and color it. So let's move the button to the bottom left of the screen with an offset and X and Y coordinate. You can also enter it by basically customizing the formula by using the UI screen element that gives you the width and height of the screen. Next, I'm going to create a simple 8 stack, which is going to contain a text and an image, and I'm going to apply certain UI elements to the 8 stack. Then I'm going to give it a background and some other properties to make it more presentable on the screen. And at the last, we are going to move it near the button that we have already created. So this 8 stack is going to be the popover that is going to slide in and out to the bottom left of the screen. So here I'm resizing the image as well so that it becomes the size comparable to that of our UI. Next, I'm clipping it into a circle. So here I'm setting the overall frame width and height of this popover for 8 stack with some background. So let's add the corner radius and then fill it with a color that we have already added as a custom color inside our assets folder. So I'm adding here an X and Y offset, which is going to align our view to that of the button that we have already created. Since we are going to manipulate the X offset of this 8 stack, so we have kept it as a variable of the type CG float. So we are going to create here some variables. One is the display power, which is going to show us the actual position of the pop-up on the screen. That is it on the screen or is it off screen? It can also be done by using the X offset value if you do not want to basically use it inside the creation of the view. So next I'm going to create here the image name because we are going to change the SF symbol of the image when the image is going to be slided into the background. So for that, we need to have another variable for this image name, and I'm going to pass it to the image system name on line number 29. So here I'm writing the code, which is going to check that if the display pop-up is being manipulated, it is on or off, what we are going to show on the screen on the button image, and what is the offset that is being presented to our 8 stack or our popover view. Let's create a simple animation that is going to do all of this task that is being done by the button action in an animated fashion. So we have given it a duration of 1 second and the value X offset. Whenever X offset is being manipulated, this animation is being played, which we have basically changed inside the button click. So let's change the view inside the window group in the main function, and let's see how it's being displayed on the simulator. So this is how it's being played whenever we are going to click the button. So next, we can also change the speed of this animation by manipulating the duration. So I have made it 0.5. It is going to be a bit quicker as compared to the previous one. It is going to be shown a lot quicker on the screen because I have changed the speed of this video on the screen. So here I'm going to add a simple functionality in which the popover is going to be appear on the screen by default for the first time. So I have copied some of the functionality from the button click. So this is all for this tutorial. Do not forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.